One easy strategy for integrating AI into your business processes is to connect Power Automate to Copilot Studio. And this is exactly what we will do in this video. We will set up a recurrent automation to go online and search for what's new in Power Platform, summarize it, and send it via email in the early morning. This Power Automate flow is pretty straightforward and has only 3 steps, but if you are not familiar with automations in Microsoft 365 environment, I'm leaving a link in the video description to my complete Power Automate course at Udemy, so you can extract the maximum value of this tool and save time with your business processes. Now, here in Copilot Studio, I have this very simple agent with instructions to search online for what's new in Power Platform based on the Power Platform community posts. And the most important part of this instruction is this sentence here, where I tell Copilot that the user will ask for this kind of report by simply messaging them with our platform report. And this is not required instructions, but it helps us to increase the accuracy of the agent's behavior, which sometimes can be challenging. And I'm also including here an express instruction to format these answers as HTML, since it will provide a better look and feel for the email message sent with Power Automate. I have also included here the Power Platform Community Threads page as a knowledge source, and I disabled the web search so you can ground the agent and minimize the hallucinations. By the way, if you prefer to follow along with these instructions in a written step-by-step format, I'm leaving a link to a blog that I posted about this same process in the video description. So let's quickly test the agent here on the right side pane. I'll just send the same message specified here into the instructions, so Power Platform port. And here the agent responds to us with a summary of the recent discussions about Power Platform in the Power Platform community. These items seem to be very accurate since I checked the community forum before this recording. Maybe you should not trust those URLs used as reference here, but for the purposes of this example, we just need the content itself. And it seems to be pretty accurate and following the predefined format. Now let's go to Power Automate, and I already have this flow here with a recurrence trigger. This flow is configured to run at 6 and 10 a.m. every Monday and every Friday, but of course that we will run it manually during this demonstration so we don't have to wait until this schedule. And then here, first thing that I need to do is to include a new step, and I'll just search for Copilot Studio. And I scroll down a little until the Copilot Studio connector, and I'll select this execute agent and wait action. And this action name is self-explanatory. We will literally initialize an agent and wait for the response. And there is only one required parameter here, which is the agent itself. And for that, I'll simply select the what's new agent from the list. Now, for the advanced parameters, I have a few options here, and I'll just enable the message input because I gave instructions to this agent to generate the report only when the user sends a message saying for platform report. And this is exactly what I'll pass as value here. And now we can include our third and last step into this flow, which is to send the email with the report. So I'll just search for send email here into the actions, and I'll select this send an email from the Office 365 Outlook. Now here I need to inform who will receive this email, and for this case I'll just take one of my test mailbox. I'll use here flows test. And then for the subject, I will say something like what's new in platform. And for the email body, I'll just include here something like here are the latest discussions about our platform. By the way, you can customize the subject line, the body, or even whoever will receive this email as you wish. You can pass any dynamic contents here if you prefer to. And if you're not familiar with dynamic contents, I'll leave a link to a video that I already recorded here into the channel about the same topic into the video description. Now, in addition to this static test, I'll just include a reference to my last response property from the Copilot Studio action. And this is already good enough, so I'll just save this flow as it is. The flow is now saved, and here into this other tab, I already have the full details page of this same automation. So I'll just hit run, and the flow is running. So refresh here the flow run history. and the flow ran successfully. As you can see, it took only 11 seconds to run. And if I now come to this other tab where I have my flow test mailbox, you can see that I received an email containing the subject line and the body that we provided in Power Automate. We also have here the report generated by the agent. And of course, all of those items, they are generated by AI and they will vary according to the data available in the Power Platform community.